Hi there, it's Mrs. Clark, your librarian again. I'm going to tell you about 3 books that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called From the Desk of Zoe Washington. Zoe Washington isn't sure what to write. What does a girl say to a father she's never met or heard from? What does she say to a father who finally sent her a letter on her 12th birthday? What can she say to a father who's been in prison for a terrible crime? A crime he says he never committed. Could her dad really be innocent? Zoe is determined to uncover the truth, even if it means hiding his letters and her investigation from the rest of her family. Everyone else thinks Zoe's worrying about doing a good job at her bakery internship and proving to her parents that she's worthy of auditioning for the Kids Bake Challenge. But with bakery confections on one part of her mind and her dad's conviction weighing heavily on the other, this is one recipe Zoe doesn't know how to balance. The only thing she knows to be true is that everyone lies. And so begins Zoe's journey learning about inequality in the criminal justice system and setting out to find the witness who can prove her father's innocence. This is one captivating story full of heart as Zoe questions assumptions, searches for the truth, and does what she believes is right. This is one of our Young Hoosier books from this year. I truly loved this story, and I know you will too. The next book is What Once Was Mine. What if Rapunzel's mother drank a potion from the wrong flower? Desperate to save the life of their queen and her unborn child, the good citizens of the kingdom comb the land for the all-healing sundrop flower to cure her. But someone mistakenly picks the blossom of the moondrop instead. This shimmering flower heals the queen, and she delivers a healthy baby girl, with hair as silver and gray as the moon. But with her mysterious hair comes dangerous magical powers. The power to hurt, not heal. For the safety of the kingdom, Rapunzel is locked away in a tower and put under the care of the powerful good wife, Mother Gothel. For 18 years, Rapunzel stays imprisoned in her tower, knowing she must protect everyone from her magical hair. When she finally decides to leave the only home she's ever known, to see the floating lights that appear on her birthday, she gets caught up in an unexpected adventure with 2 thieves, a would-be outlaw named Gina, and Flynn Rider, a rogue on the run. Before she can reach her happy ending, Rapunzel learns that there is far more to her story and her magical hair and her future than she ever knew. This book is part of the Twisted Tales series that has alternative what-if spins on classic Disney stories. If you love fantasy, Disney, and darker changes to classic stories, you very well may enjoy this book. The last book I'm going to tell you about is The Dollhouse. Alice's world is falling apart. Her parents are getting a divorce, and they've canceled their yearly cottage trip, the one thing that gets Alice through the school year. Instead, Alice and her mom are heading to a small town where Alice's mom will be a live-in nurse to a rich, elderly lady. The house is huge, imposing and spooky, and everything inside is meticulously kept and perfect. Not a fun place to spend the summer. And things start to get weird when Alice finds a dollhouse in the attic that's an exact replica of the house she's living in. Then, one morning, she wakes up to find a girl asleep next to her. A girl who looks a lot like one of the dolls from the dollhouse. When the dollhouse starts to change when Alice isn't looking, she knows she has a mystery to solve. Who are the girls in the dollhouse? What happened to them? And what's their connection to the mean and mysterious woman who owns the house? This is one creepy and mysterious story, a perfect read if you liked small spaces or doll bones and love scary stories. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to check one out and have a fabulous day!